You know you don't need to keep acting like I don't exist.
What do you want?
I want us to talk.
About what?
Business, of course.
I'm not interested.
Oh, come on. You don't know what I can bring to the table. Okay?
So what kind of business do you want to discuss with me?
The kind of business that you will like.
What's the meaning of this? Are you sick? What's the meaning of this?
Okay. Tell me that you don't like my body. Tell me that you don't like me.
I don't care about your body, okay? All you do is put on expensive cologne on a body you barely wash.
You're so arrogant.
No, you are the arrogant one here. Have you forgotten what you did to me the first time I came to your father's house? I begged you for money to buy drugs, but you did not give me a dime. Rather, you insisted that I must wash your undies, which I did. Yet, you refused to give me a dime. Rather, you told me that I should know my boundaries, that you are not my class, blah, 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 blah.
Fine. But I want to get one thing straight. I mean, why did you come to my father's house when you know that you are already made?
That's none of your business. Now, never return to this place except you have a serious business to talk about. Get out. Get out of my office!
Come on, tell me you don't like me.
Leave my office. Move. Now get out.
Think he is?
How did it go?
How did it go?
Yes.
I don't want to have anything to do with that faggot again. Ever in my life.
Miriam, what are you talking about? Do you want me to leave this marriage that I suffered with your father to build empty-handed? You want me to leave here empty-handed?
Well, that is your business, not mine. Deal with it.
You don't say that to your mother. You don't.
I don't want to continue with this conversation again, Mom.
Excuse me.
Babe, how can you allow your parents to use this amount?
What do you want me to do? Obi, my mom's driver, is the CEO of OBI Dynasty. I have tried every tricks, but yet all to no avail.
How can you believe such lie? I know the owner of OBI Dynasty. He has been in the village since accident left him on a wheelchair. And I have never heard anyone said he has a son. In short, that man did not have any child.
Oh, come on, babe, please. Stop playing. I'm being serious right now.
I am not playing. His name is Ikenga. He's from my mother's hometown. A town that is an hour drive from this city. I'm not playing.
Wait a minute. If you are sure of this information, How about you take me to the man's house?
I cannot take you to the man's house. You can go there with your mother. And he will sign the shorty.
Are you sure?
Yes. Just dress sexy. He will sign the shorty for you. He likes women.
Baby, if this clicks, trust me, I am going to reward you hugely. I am going to reward you hugely.
You don't have much time to waste. Just look sexy. He will sign the shorty for you.
Trust me.
Sure.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. No trust.
Madam.
Good day.
Good day, madam. Good day. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
You're
I'm here to see Chief Ikenga.
Chief Ikwengwa, you did aware say you are the compo here?
No, but we are very important people.
Oh. We are very... Okay, madam, Adekwa.
Green snake in a green glass. You have skeleton in your cupboard, see, and you want to read where you did not sow.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, please, we're here to see Chief Ikenga.
Is him aware you're coming?
No.
You can't see him, ma'am.
Why?
Do you have an appointment?
Not really.
Then you can't see him.
It's okay. My dear, I know the country is bad. So please, if you don't mind, add it to whatever you are getting.
Ma'am, we don't accept things from the strangers. We are well paid, ma'am.
It's okay. Just tell Chief we are from the ministry. It's a surprise visit. I'm sure he will be glad to see us. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Open the gate.
Huh?
Open the gate for her.
Better open up.
Open the gate. Don't waste time.
Open
Open that gate.
they start time for me now. Why are they start time for me? Slow down.
Good day, Chief.
Oh, good day. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Good day, Chief.
Good day. Please sit down.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry to badger you. Sorry to badger you, sir.
It's okay.
My name is Mrs. Beatrice Okibo. I am the owner of Miriam B. Pharmaceuticals, and here is my daughter, Miriam Okibo.
You're all welcome.
Thank you.
So, what can I do for you?
Sir, I have been awarded with a contract by Purdue Pharmaceuticals India to supply, distribute, and market their new antibiotics in the whole of West Africa.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I mean, you'll be lucky because they are quite skeptical about giving such rare opportunities to Africans.
So I heard.
Well, I guess they sent you for me to sign and stamp the surety form.
Exactly.
Oh, good.
But fortunately, we have been meeting with this particular young guy who has been impersonating you. And he demanded that we should give him 20 million naira if he must sign, seal, and stamp the surety form.
Someone impersonating me? Who could that be? Oh, I'm sure it must be one of these internet stars, you know. But whoever that person is, I'll find him and get him arrested.
You don't need to search for him because he is living in OBI dynasty as we speak. Yes.
What you got? That place has been under lock and key for a year now. Whoever that is living there must be a hard crook, and I must get him arrested.
Sir, you need to, because he has frustrated us enough. I mean, the other day he almost killed my daughter because she hit him while he was trying to rape her.
So sorry about that. I'm promising you I will swing into action. Okay?
Thank you very much.
So, for the surety form, the stamp, and the seal.
Yes.
They are not here with me. They are in my office in Abuja. But nevertheless, you may have to come back some of the time for it to be signed.
It's okay. But, Chief, when do we return? Because we don't have much time.
2 days time.
2 days time. Oh, so 2 days it is.
So what can I offer you?
We're still busy at the office. We're fine. Yes. Mm-hmm. We're fine.
Lydia.
Yes.
I see you. Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful. Of course, thank you.
But I would wish you, make demands. I'll call my chef to prepare something special.
It's okay.
Sure.
I wanted to make sure you feel at home to have some good recipe.
Call me.
Of course, I will.
This will have a deal 2 days time.
Yes, 2 days time it is. Thank you. It's an honor
I see. Appreciate it.
speaking with you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I appreciate 2 days. Here.
I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Oh, my GP. Someone is impersonating me and my son in the city. I want you to go to the dynasty house tomorrow with some policemen to get him arrested.
Okay. You see? If you had done what I asked you to do earlier, a long time ago, this thing wouldn't have been happening. Send some delegates to Japan and bring your son back.
Ugezu, I do not have his mobile number to call him with. I do not know where he lives in Japan. You know I've been trying. Of course you know.
I know you've been trying. You've done your best. If I ask you, you say you've done your best. Your best wasn't good enough. Try more. Bring your boy back and make peace with him so that I can take over your companies. These are companies, not company. You are no longer capable of running these companies. Companies of such magnitude should not be left in the hands of total strangers, people from different tribes. No, possibility of them to run these companies well would be very slim. They will run your companies down. Or do you want them to run your companies down?
No.
Then bring your son back and this problem will be buried beneath in the board. Once and for all.
I will talk with the Nigerian ambassador to Japan. It will be of help.
That is my brother talking. Good talk. This is what I want to hear from you. Good. So, what time do I go tomorrow?
You can go anytime you like. I just want that imposter arrested and detained.
I will definitely do that.
You will come for a letter I will issue to you. You take it to the central police station. They will assign some policemen to go with.
All right, very well then. I'll do just that. I'll get them arrested, definitely. Then detain them.
Guts from? I mean, the pride, everything, so much confidence. So, you don't even know the owners of this place. You are not related to them. You are not even friends with them. And so I wonder, why do you still pose with so much confidence and guts? I mean, where did you get them from? As a good citizen that I am, and a good girl that I am, I have decided to pick your ass up and lock you up.
Chewing stick.
You don't walk out on me when I'm talking to you. Are you deaf? Obi, you lied to us. I mean, you're my driver. Our driver. My personal driver. And then I wonder, how did you get so much guts? Where did you get it from? The guts, the temerity, so much confidence. Where did you get that from? You lied that you are the owner of this dynasty, whereas you are not. Why?
I'm the manager.
Anyways, I have decided to lock you up. Long story cut short. Obi! Obi! Obi, get your ass out here! Obi, you lied to us! Why would you lie to us? Why would you lie to me? Obi, I'm not letting this slide. I am locking you up. I will lock you up, all of you. I will do that. That's This man has turned the OBI dynasty into his own personal place, where he defraud and assaults innocent people. Do you know he even walks around with bodyguards?
You don't say.
Ha.
I wonder what pushes people into such crime.
Greed! Greed! What else? Greed!
I think I should see that young man to know who he is and what gives him the impetus to do this.
There is no time for that. There is no time for that. We need to start going now. Let's get him arrested. Now. No time.
My brother gave me this letter so we can use it to get some of his hands.
Yes, we need to go. We need to get him arrested. See, I know people like that. You might come back and see that, hey, this boy has sold your building. I know what I'm saying. We need to go now. Let's go and do something.
That's why I said I must see him.
Hey. So Arinze, we need to deal with that boy. Personally, we need to show him something. Eh?
Where is that young man who's been deceiving people that he's the owner of this place?
What do you want? And if I may ask, you have an appointment with him? Because if you don't, you can't see him.
Are you deaf and stupid simultaneously?
Don't you know me?
Who are you? Who are you? Because you're wearing white, you think you're Angel Gabriel. My friend, go in there and call and bring out your boss. Don't you know him? Don't you know him? He's Chief Ikenga's brother. So go in there and call out that your impersonator boss.
Young man, you're wasting our time. I'm not here to procrastinate on frivolities with you.
With due respect, sir, I won't do it. If you want to see him, book an appointment.
I said go and call him.
Are you deaf? He said no appointment, no visit. Out! Again? What do you want?
Are you blind or something? Are you brainless? Can't you see I'm with the police? Can't call him.
You know I can't do that.
Officer, shoot this thing up! Shoot them up! Make them know say you there here! Shoot it up now!
My friend, where is impostor?
Point of correction, sir. There's no any imposter here.
Do you think we are here for joking?
Well, my boss is out of town. He'll be back tomorrow.
Out of what? Which kind of dirty out of town? Officer, follow me, I know my way. Officer, follow me. Follow me, let's just search everywhere.
Madam, calm down, Calm down. Let me see your search warrant.
Oga, you don't get Sasara. We'll come back tomorrow.
Don't worry. We are going to arrest both of you. Just relax.
It's okay.
Just relax.
It's okay.
Call him up. Officer, pick them up. No! Pick the two! Pick them up! Pick... What is going on?
Said they forgot their search warrant.
Rubbish! Rubbish! Listen, I'm going to put call for another set of police people to come here, okay? We're not going anywhere. Just follow my lead. Come!
Calm down.
Relax here! Come here! Come! Follow me! Follow my lead! We're not going anywhere. We have to stay here and wait!
Oga, out. Gate man! Yeah? Oga, out.
Are they sitting?
Obed! Obed!
Sir.
What's up with the noise downstairs?
Sir, one slim tall man, he said he will get you arrested, that you are an imposter.
Excuse me. Who is the man?
I don't know him, sir.
Are they still there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Leave.
You will not put me in trouble. You can take what you see.
Oh, please run along. Run along! I already know you're such a wuss. Now you can't stand and fight for your right as a man. Don't worry, I'll come back with a positive result. Rubbish.
I did not invite you here. So what are you doing here?
Aha! I knew it. I knew you've been hiding inside. No, I knew it. I told you. He's hiding here. You've been hiding, right? Wow.
Does this look like your father's house?
Oh, no, it doesn't. It doesn't. But I told you, very soon the real owners of this place will come for you. My dear, there is no hiding place for you in this place. I mean, no peace for the wicked. No hiding place for the wicked. And yes, I can't wait to see you rot in jail. Just don't worry. Don't worry.
Out.
Out.
Touch.
Out! I said out.
I told you that thief was in that house. See, we must get him arrested though. We must get him arrested. Ah!
How can you cry more than the bereaved? And besides, this is a family issue. Since the police have suggested the arresting tomorrow, let it be so.
So what do we tell Chief Iyke?
I will tell him what the police said. But going back to that place, it's not possible, I will not.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere.
I think I like the idea of invading his house in the middle of the night when he's around. It's good.
I'm worried. I mean, this process might cost us the deal.
So, Miriam, we don't need to be worried about anything. Though we've been experiencing some logistic barricade. But it's nothing to worry about. The stamp, the seal will be here in less than 6 days. So calm down.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Like, I really do appreciate it. My mom would be the happiest woman on earth. Thank you so much.
Oh, good to hear that.
Okay, I should be on my way now.
Well, thanks for your effort today.
Thank you. Thank you so much once again. Thank you. Much once again. I really do appreciate. Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Very welcome.
All right.
I'll let you know.
She's brave. Or is it because she wants something from you?
She's just a fearless woman who wants the best for her mother.
Oh, we need to celebrate. He said in the next 6 days, the stamp and the seal will be with him.
Oh my God.
So that means in 6 days, you will be sitting as the biggest and richest woman in Africa.
You don't say this!
Are you serious? Oh my goodness!
Oh, this is good news.
Okay.
We have to toast to this.
Yes.
So, to greatness.
To success. Success.
Oh.
And to mega money.
Oh my word. I feel rich.
Oh.
I feel like a billionaire. I feel like a billionaire.
That's the spirit, baby.
I feel like a billionaire.
That's the spirit.
Hey, la, la, la.
Put your hands
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Give it to them. Yeah. Yeah. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him.
What kind of nonsense is
Make the
this?
money.
Baby.
Huh?
Baby.
Will you stop that nonsense? How will you turn my living room into a club? How dare you?
We are not clubbing, but we are celebrating the success. Yeah. By the way, where are you coming from?
What kind of stupid question is that? Huh? You expect me to give an explanation to a cheating wife?
Well, cheers. Cheers to things that doesn't really matter. If I am cheating, what are you doing? Where have you been for the past few days? I demand to know where you're coming from. Now.
And I said, I owe you no explanation.
Well, to no explanation. Cheers. It doesn't matter anyway. Because you are looking at the most richest woman in the West Africa in the next few days. Yes. Right. And I have started our divorce proceedings. So this is a letter for you from the court.
What the hell are you talking about?
Get to the letter to know the hell I'm talking about. You working it? I'm working it.
We working it.
Wiggle. Pa-da-dum-pum-pum. Wiggle. Yeah. Wiggle.
Wiggy, 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 wiggy.
Get it down.
Get out from there. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Whoops. Mom! Yeah, I love you. Cheers. Just like this.
Silas, I am between the devil and the deep blue sea. Nana keeps threatening me. Meanwhile, my wife has filed for divorce. I don't know what to do.
Well, you put yourself into this.
Huh?
Yes, you did. The first could be a mistake. But when it happens the second time, it's no longer a mistake. You have been seeing that woman behind her back. You had the first child. You did not stop. You then had the second. How on earth would you expect to keep this secret all your lifetime?
Look, Silas, I wish I can change the hand of time.
You had the time to do that, but you did not. I think the best thing is to let your family know about them so that you can have a little peace before the main fracas comes.
What fracas are you talking about?
The trouble that goes with polygamy, of course.
Look, my wife will not change her mind. So I'll just let things be.
So, why did you call me since you have already made up your mind on what to do?
Yeah, but what do I do about the divorce?
What do you want to do?
Look, I don't want any divorce. I don't. I am suspecting that the contract has been awarded to my wife. I don't want her to push me aside. I am the one who discovered that contract in the first place. Huh? So I don't want to lose out.
Good. See you tomorrow.
Where are you going to?
I'm going home, of course, since you already know what to do. So there's no point saying what to be trashed again. I'm leaving.
I have unlocked every door to success. Yes. But I'm still very much skeptical about the whole thing.
But why?
Should I tell him about it? Should I tell him my plans of hijacking the contract?
What are you skeptical about?
I mean, what if he asked me to sleep with him before signing the contract?
I thought you have done that already.
No. I've been busy doing all I could to keep Obi at bay.
Well, I am here with the good news. But before I will tell you about that, you must promise me you will give me some percentage.
Oh, please, whatever. What about the good news?
Before the good news, I would love to share the bad news with you so that you can wave them together.
Oh, please, can you just stop the suspense and tell me the good news, okay?
Somebody from my mother's family told me that Obi is the real son of a king.
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking. Didn't you see the resemblance? Obi dynasty is derived from his name as the heir to the empire.
Oh my goodness. I thought the war was over.
Exactly.
So what am I going to do now? Oh, what am I going to do?
Now, let me share the good news. Since this man is a chronic womanizer, you have to use the little available time to let him know how sweet you are. And with that, everything can come to balance.
Okay. I know what to do.
Oh my. You look different.
Right.
Yes.
I have come to keep you company.
Oh, that's thoughtful of you.
Yes.
I mean, you're here right on time when I need some company. Well, I've been just here thinking about my son.
Oh. Oh. Oh, so sorry. Is he dead?
Oh, he's not dead. He left here when he was 15 over a little misunderstanding. But it's fine.
Oh, to where?
Well, the last time I asked, they said he now lives in Japan.
Okay. So I believe he'll be home someday. But for now, I am here for you. And guess what? I got you something.
Really?
Yes. I got you snacks.
Oh, no. I didn't snack because of my medical record. I like African food.
Okay. So, in that case, let me quickly rush to the kitchen and prepare something very delicious for you. Trust me, you're gonna like it.
You're not going to stress yourself, will you?
Oh, come on, baby. I don't mind stressing myself for you, Zaddy. Okay? So, tell me where I'm gonna change into something very casual.
So first? Oh, well, the first room by your right upstairs is mine.
Okay. So, would you want me to give you a thorough massage?
You have the license.
Okay. Here we go. Okay.
Mom, your dinner is getting cold. Mom. Your dinner is getting cold. Your dinner is getting cold.
Gina.
For how long have I been sleeping?
You've been sleeping since you drank with Miriam.
What? Get my phone.
Okay. Yeah.
Where is Miriam?
She left that same time.
Where could she be?
I don't know.
Clear the table. My friend, pick your call. Pick your call, my friend. You?
Beatrice, we need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about, please. I'm busy. I'm busy.
I said we need to talk.
We do not need anything. Okay, we'll see. I am ready for the divorce. Okay? And that's final. You cannot make me change my mind. Excuse me. Where are you, this girl? Pick your call. Pick your call. Pick your call. Jesus! 2 million naira! Hi, Miriam. Miriam has killed me. Miriam, what? Miriam, please. Miriam, 2 million naira. This girl has finished me. Hey! Oh, what is wrong with this girl? What is wrong with this girl? Miriam, pick your call! Pick your call.
Babe, they have not signed the shorty form and you are happy and spraying money up and down.
Yes, because by the time I get there tomorrow, everything will be set.
Are you out of your mind? You are not with the shorty form and you are celebrating. Why?
I am celebrating because, as you devised, I used my company's name. And yes, I left him drooling and thinking about me. I mean, at the end of it, the lost will lead him thinking and dancing to my tune.
I would have explained to my own understanding. Now I know you are a smart girl. Meanwhile, what about your mother?
I don't know about her. I'm on my own now, okay?
One more thing. You have to get that idiot arrested before he messed the whole thing up for you.
Who? Obi?
Yes.
Listen, Chief has given me a go-ahead order to arrest him and mess him up. So by tomorrow, he will be calling up in the police net. You don't have anything to worry about, okay? So, let's just celebrate.
Oh my God. Baby.
Oh my baby.
Come on. Come to daddy.